Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you very much everyone for your support. If you're new to my channel, I just want to say welcome. If you're my old subscriber, I just want to thank you for your support. And if you're watching this video, you've not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe and you will not regret it, I promise. So I have this product that I bought, and I'm seeing this product for the very first time. I've not used it before, but I thought I should go ahead and use it because I've been having problem with my natural hair. The split end is just crazy, and I don't know how to get rid of it. So if you're a naturalista and you know what to do or whatever you do to get rid of split end, please let me know down below, and I really appreciate. So 4C hair, you know how 4C it is. Like, I'm tired of it, to be honest. I feel like I should retouch my hair or even like put chemical, but I just don't want to do it because I want to be like at least get to a certain length before I could go ahead and do that. You know, the shrinkage is just I just don't know, like it's just too much, but whatever, it is what it is. I can't do anything about that. I'm obviously not insecure about my hair, so yeah. So I just want to try this product out, and I want to try it with you guys and see how it works, because I know people out there having the same problem I'm having. I'm not just the only one, so you could obviously learn from this video. So I'm gonna go ahead and read out the instruction before we start. And then the instruction say, the direction says, spray thoroughly throughout damp or dry hair as needed. Do not rinse. Stay as usual. Styling tip: repair over processed or extremely damaged hair with Cantu Dip treatment mask, whatever. So well, that should give you a clue what this product is all about, isn't it? So let's get to this product, what this product is all about. Dual action formula repairs split end conditions and elongate for stronger shine curls, made with pure shea butter and formulated without harsh ingredients. Cantu restore your real authentic beauty. Embrace your curly, coil or wavy hair with Cantu. So I'm gonna go ahead and read the things that you're not supposed to have on your hair, that they don't like, that is free from this product. So no mineral oil, no sulfate, no paraben, no silicones, no phytalate or whatever that is. You know what I'm talking about. You have gluten, no paraben or propylene. So it says you should just spray thoroughly, damp or dry. So we're going to try both, damp or dry. That way damp, that way dry, and see if it's gonna give us a different result from there, and know which one we're gonna obviously follow, right? I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys this product. But one thing I don't like about this product is that it's got alcohol, and alcohol extremely dries natural hair, especially 4C hair. I'm not sure about other ones, but I'm talking about my hair type. It dries it completely, and it makes it very crunchy and extremely dry, obviously. So I'm going to try water this side and try no water this side, and see the result I will get, if it's different or something, like, you know, I know what we are going to work with. And yes, let's go to the Hey guys, so you saw the demonstration. The place you have water, is a no. As you can see, at the place you don't have water is a yes. So I would say this product, even when actually while I was spraying this product, the alcohol in it is so bad, it's so loud, like it smells so bad and I don't like it. Like I just don't like it that it's going on my hair. It can go into my mouth but not my hair at all. It's a no for me. But nevertheless, the way you don't spray water is better. The one you spray water is not, there's nothing happening on there, as you can see. It's not worth it. But don't spray water, it's really good. So I will say yes. If it remains like this, then it's a yes from me. But if it doesn't stay like this, it's a no from me. So if you're having this problem of split end, try this out. It might work for you as it is, and I can't complain. I'll give it 70 out of 100. That is if it doesn't revert back to split end. You know what I'm talking about. You know how crazy these curls are. So that's what I'm talking about, and I'll see you guys in my next other video. Honestly, I don't want to make it a longer one. So thank you very much for watching, and please stay tuned and to watch other videos. And then if you're looking for what else to watch, go ahead. I've got interesting videos down there that you can watch, and then go ahead and click this video and then subscribe and click the bell as well, so that you get notified each time I post a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next other video, guys. Thank you very much for your support and everything. Be you, don't change for anybody. Thank you very much. Bye.